Big update in Cash Hall, judge impeachment push. Government aims for joint motion along with the opposition. Opposition parties are being approached. Parliamentary Kiran Rajiju has spoken to Congress, TMC, SP and DMK. Government terms impeachment not politics but a scam. Government is calling for a joint motion along with the opposition, and the opposition parties are likely to make their stand clear by tomorrow. This is breaking news that's just coming in on the issue of possible impeachment of the judge in Delhi. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me on this story. Aishwarya, government is reaching out to the opposition parties. We are likely to see some response from them by tomorrow. But Kiran Rajiju has spoken to opposition leaders. What more do we know?
Well, Anisha, one thing is very clear, and that's the process of the impeachment. When you do the impeachment, two-thirds majorities are required both in Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, which means that you will need the signatures of 100 MPs in Lok Sabha and 50 MPs in Rajya Sabha. Now, this includes the opposition MPs as well. That's the reason why we are now seeing Kiran Rajiju extending an olive branch and speaking with all the opposition leaders, asking them where do they stand with regards to the impeachment process of Justice Yashwant Verma. One thing is very clear, Anisha, the government was hoping, and that's what even the Supreme Court was looking at, that there is a chance that on his own, Justice will resign, but that is something that Justice Yashwant Verma has not done yet. There is a small possibility, and we have seen it in Indian history, that just as the proceedings are about to begin, earlier too, we have seen one justice putting in his papers and resigning from his post, but that is something that Justice Yashwant Verma so far has refused to do. The impeachment process will begin in the monsoon session, and for that, a consensus is now being built. The central government, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rajiju, reaching out to the main opposition parties and getting a feel from them where exactly they stand with regards to the impeachment process, because two-thirds majority is required both in the Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha.
Thank you, Aishwarya Paliwal, for that update. Looking at this entire story, the government is preparing to initiate impeachment proceeding against sitting High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma. Remember, he is facing allegations of corruption after the discovery of a large amount of cash from his official residence in Delhi. According to sources, in the upcoming Parliament session, an impeachment motion will be brought against Justice Yashwant Verma. According to reports, Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal met Home Minister Amit Shah, who later met the Prime Minister to discuss the matter. JP Nadda will also be meeting Amit Shah and the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar in this regard. The Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Kiran Rajiju, will be leading consultations with all political parties ahead of tabling the motion. According to reports, Rajiju has already held talks with TMC, SP and DMK. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister will also be speaking to more political parties, and sources suggest that cross-party consensus will be crucial given the constitutional threshold that is required for the removal of a judge. Chief Justice of India B.R. Gawai has also backed the Supreme Court's action on Justice Verma and asserted that action will be taken against judicial misconduct. But at the same time, he also stressed that judges must be free of external control.